Okay, the other way of editing is here. Edit keywords, and you can also do this at the Summary tab, and edit. And also, if we go to the Add Group View level, we can, for example, click here and edit this. Excuse me, that actually was completely wrong, my mistake. Let's go back into the Add Group. Okay, what I was trying to demonstrate is that one way to make the changes is what I just demonstrated in the Keywords tab. You choose the ones you want to make changes to and edit keyword settings as demonstrated. And the other way is editing at a text level. So here you can just click on Edit Keywords in the Keywords tab, and I'll come to the exact syntax in just a moment. Let's go back, or in the Summary tab, Current Bid, Maximum Cost per Click, Default 6 cents. If we edit there, it actually takes us to exactly the same view. Okay, here's the syntax. It's pretty straightforward, as you can see. It adds another column with 2 asterisks, and for example, let's go to Antique Oak Table and say I want it to appear between 1 and 5 in the search results. So, Antique Oak Table, 2 asterisks. I don't want to change the default bid, so I'll just put a space, and then another column divider, 2 asterisks, and I don't want to change the destination URL, so another space, and another column divider, and now hash symbol or pound sign, and then I would say 1 to 5. And that's how you can edit in a text editing view, which you may feel gives you more control, and actually I can demonstrate that. If I actually disregard this and just go back to the Add Group and Keywords tab, and let's go back, let's click on Antique Tables and Edit Keyword Settings. Let's quickly change the position preference. Let's say 1 to 3 in this instance. And save that. And you can see the exact syntax now by going to Edit Keywords. And again, I've noticed this happening with this feature of AdWords as well, or perhaps it's just happening to me a lot for whatever reason. Whenever this happens, your latest changes were not processed, I just click the back button and just try again. Edit Keywords. Now you can see that we're back at the text editing view, and that's the syntax. Interestingly, I seem to have added unnecessarily column dividers. It seems you only need to have one column divider and then the hash or pound symbol, and then where you want your ad to appear when it appears with searches for this keyword. Since this is keyword specific, when someone searches for antique tables as a broad match and your ad appears, then it will only appear in positions 1 to 3. So that's the syntax for that. So essentially, this feature gives you even more control of exactly when your ad should appear. In a way, if you're interested, if you just go back to Campaign, Summary, and the ad scheduling, if I edit settings for this campaign and go to Ad Scheduling Times, that feature allows you to decide exactly when your ad appears. This is a way to make some changes in that. Rather than appearing only at certain times of the day or week, you're now telling Google to only show your ads if your ad appears in a certain position when that keyword is searched for. As I mentioned, if, let's say, you're bidding $1 and you want to appear in position 1 to 5, and $1 isn't enough to get you into the 1 to 5 bracket, you won't appear for that search. Whereas if you're bidding $1 and that puts you in the number 1 position and you want to appear between positions 3 and 6, then your $1 click just for that search and that click is reduced so that you appear in the position numbered 3 or 4. So it's quite an advanced feature, and you'll need to decide whether it's right for you. As you can see, it's another feature of Google AdWords that gives you even more control of exactly when, and to a degree where, your ad will appear.